Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com here with your Tuesday market webcast. All right, so we've just been consolidating these last 3-4 sessions. We took a trip up above 4,600, 4,609. We talked about last week how 4,600 had been open for a while. They held it as resistance, and now you've really just seen, 45.94 as a high, 60 is a low, 57 is a low. It's the high today, 93. So you got this 93 to 96 area versus like a 50, 57 to 62 on the low side. Just kind of a trading box. You can see the 9-day here. They had tested the 9-day for 3 or 4 days. They were able to hold it, and that's what hopped us up into this latest upper band ride, which went about 5 days worth, which really took the shorts and just slow dragged them up. This, if it continues like this, will be the first sign of a real potential longer-term consolidation after this long-term consolidation resulting in this expansion. So we consolidated in that 4,100 area, call it, and 500 handles to the upside from it. Hourly chart. So potential higher lows. Remember, they blew it back here versus here. 4609. They took it off. Potential higher low, another higher low, little higher highs here. What you need to see from the bulls today is you got to take out yesterday's high and you continue to run it from the upside. So this little consolidation on the hourly, they need to win that. They're not winning it right now. If it spills out of this, I would expect you had engagement with the 9-day and with the weekly pivot in the middle of the night, Sunday night into Monday morning. Okay. What I would expect here, if we continue to head lower, is both areas are basically locked up at 45.66, 45.67. I would expect that to get tested today. And where we close relative to that area is going to, start to set up tomorrow. Now, looking at the week, this week we're just, the early part of this week is just kind of knocking around, trading, this, that, positioning for Wednesday at 2 o'clock. The Fed comes out Wednesday at 2 o'clock, and then this tape's going to do what this tape is going to do depending on what happens there. So you have a serious volatility event Wednesday afternoon that is going to direct things from Wednesday at 2 o'clock into the end of the week. So you've got before Wednesday at 2 and after Wednesday at 2. That's going to be the deal. So, but what I want to see just as for Tuesday, setting up into Wednesday, where do we close relative to 45.67, which is your 9-day and your weekly pivot. You've got volume weighted average price, hourly mid-band, 45.85, 45.86. Proprietary moving average is sitting there at 45.87. We're trading 45.81. So they're trying to break out of this consolidation. And if they do, you get a serious look at 67, which is a decent little trade. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care. Trade them well. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.